You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively in the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension, and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the fastening plate. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring to insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.